Union Budget 2017 heavily focuses on technology industry and consumers this year. Apple reports an all-time record of $78.4 billion in revenue for the last quarter. Most free Android VPNs leak data, says study. Today is Wednesday, February the 1st, and this is 360 Daily. The Union Budget 2017 is out and it heavily focuses on tech industry and consumers this time. The FM announces there will be no service tax on digital IRCTC bookings, digital payments and education, cyber security for financial systems, Aadhaar smart cards and BHIM-app. Apple reports an all-time record of $78.4 billion in revenue in the last quarter. iPhone sales are also at an all-time high of 78.3 million units. The profit is just shy of the record numbers seen in the same quarter last 2 years. Tim Cook says that Apple India revenue is also at an all-time high. The company is in discussions to open retail stores in India. Samsung has finally confirmed its presence at MWC Barcelona 2017. The company has shared a teaser image which seemingly confirms that a tablet might be launched. Alcatel has sent out press invites for an event for February 27 in Barcelona. It's expected to launch as many as 5 smartphones. Most Android VPNs leak data, and many of those don't even use encryption. Now, this was said in a report compiled by security researchers from a number of universities, like University of California at Berkeley and CSIRO, a federal research agency in Australia. According to The Verge, the report should be interpreted with a few caveats in mind. Firstly, the apps it studied was collected last year, with some already removed from the Play Store. And secondly, it's impossible to say for certain whether security holes appeared in apps for malicious reasons or not. A coalition of US tech firms have begun planning a joint legal strategy challenging President Trump's immigration ban. There are more than 20 firms from the sector that were expected to discuss legal options on the ban. That's all for this edition of 360 Daily. I'm Devika Chitnis for Gadgets 360. It goes like te, te, te. What do you mean, Nacho? The company shared a teaser image which sunlight jari hai. But we have the other pointers to do that are more difficult. Give you what?